None of us could remember. We called her and immediately she clued us in. So, down by old Pilot Knob, it's near Ginja, where you love Lake George to sail and read of. It was there you raised a family true. You ran Granny Camp with Marky Poo down by old Pilot Knob. Hey, girls! Down by old, not the new, down by the old, not the new, but the old Pilot Knob. Not the hook, but the knob. Where ginger nut, pepper nut, ginger, cook, not fry, but cook. Where you love, not hate, but love Lake George. Not Fred, but George. Sail and read, not write, but read a book. Not a mind, but a book. It was there, not here, but there you raised. Not buried, but raised. Family, not friends, but family. True, not false, but true. You and Remy Camp, not hotel, but camp. With Marky Poo, not poo.